How can I mute notifications from a specific contact on WhatsApp?
Hello there. Are you bothered by frequent notifications from a specific contact on WhatsApp and wondering how to mute them? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to mute notifications from a particular contact in your WhatsApp. This process is straightforward and takes less than a minute. Let's get started.
Open the Contacts chat window.
The first step is to locate the contact whose notifications you want to mute. Open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone and scroll through your chat list to find the specific contact. Once found, tap on the chat to open the Contacts chat window.
Access the contact information.
In the chat window, tap on the contact's name displayed at the top to open the contact information. Here, you'll see different options related to the specific contact such as media, links, etc.
Mute notifications.
In the contact information window, you will find the Mute Notifications option. It will typically show an icon of a speaker with a line through it. Tap on this option to proceed.
Choose mute duration.
Once you tap the Mute Notifications option, you'll be presented with three options. 1. 8 hours. 2. 1 week. 3. Always, you can choose the duration for which you want to mute notifications from this specific contact by selecting one of these options. Let's say you want to mute notifications indefinitely, you should select the Always option.
Disable show notifications.
After selecting the mute duration, you have the choice to completely disable showing notifications for this contact. If you don't want the messages from this contact to appear in your notifications, you can uncheck the Show Notifications box. However, if you just want to mute the sound but still see the messages in your notifications, leave this box checked. And that's it. You have successfully muted notifications from a specific contact on WhatsApp. Remember, you can always unmute them by following the same steps and selecting the Unmute Notifications option. We hope this tutorial was helpful and made your WhatsApp experience a bit more peaceful. If you have any more questions about WhatsApp features, don't hesitate to ask. Happy chatting!